Here's the road going to the beach. Look, here's the beach. Beach watch. Somebody just sitting there too scared to go into the deepness. We're flooded, but check this out. Look at this. This is how we got here. Here's the truck coming right now. There's the water. Here's the road. Look at this. Look at this car going through it. Oh, this is craziness. More people trying to come through. Yeah, they don't know if they should go through or not. They're all freaked out. They're all freaked out. I'll just leave the camera in the truck. More people. Look at this part of the road. I mean, this is the road right here. Look at this car trying to come through. Oh God, he's an idiot. He's gonna get stuck. What a what an idiot. Holy shit, you're a moron. This is the road to the beach though. It's crazy.